One of the ways in which you can work around in timeline is in the edit mode right here. And in edit mode, there is a different timeline view, as you can see. In the cut view, you can see that there's a mini timeline and there's a big timeline right here. And in this timeline, you don't really have, let's say, for example, empty spaces right here, as you can see. So you can see that this is what you have right here. You can go around and drag it. But if I were to go around and pull, you can see that it does not really allow me to add an empty space right here. But if I were to go around onto the edit mode, then I can actually pull this out. On the cut mode, you can see that this is what you have now. You do have the empty space. So this is what you have as a timeline, as you can see. And then here in the edit mode of the timeline, then you can see that there's video 1 and video 2. And these are the different layers of videos, as you can see. And over here, you can see that there's 2 preview areas right here. So this is where you preview out the clip, whereas this is where you see the final output. So if I were to click and drag it right here, then you can see that this is where you see the final output right here, just like this. So you can go around and rearrange out everything. And you can see that you can also work around with the in and out point right here, just by clicking on this a little area right here, just like this. So over here, this is a certain zoom range that you're seeing in the timeline. So right now, this range right here denotes certain amount of time, but you can go around and then go around, click on the plus button to zoom in, as you can see, and you can go around and press the minus button to zoom out over here as well. So once you go around and zoom in, you can see that there's a scroll bar right here that you can click and drag around however you want right here, just like this, and then rearrange out everything according to how you like it. There's markers and there's flags and everything else right here that you can work around with them with over here as well. And that is an introduction, and then that is basically how you can create out empty spaces in the timeline over here as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.